This is dried apricot which I cooked yesterday around 6 p.m. So now I have to form now this one by shape into circle. Now ito na, let's start to make form or shape by circle like this. Parang gumagawa din kayo ng roti. Ayan. Ayan. Lagay natin dito. Then we will put here because we will put this one in the sun to make dry. This is very good for chutney, to make chutney. For this one, you can mix also this one in biryani or pulao. Now this is already I make. Now we'll taste. It's like candy. So ito lahat yung aking nagawa. Ayan. Like this. And then ito. Ayan. Ayan. Parang siya, candy talaga. Bismillah, wala barakadillah. sweet and sour. They call it here sakki. Ayan, sakki na ginagawang chutney. And then sa ihalo din ito sa biryani. Kaya paki-watch na lang yung aking full video about how I make dry and then how I cook and how to make chutney. And please subscribe and support also my YouTube channel, Aisha Tarik. The same din yung aking account dito sa Facebook page at saka Facebook Reels. Yung aking profile na naka tawag dito, naka dupatta o naka-scarf ng yellow, and then Aisha Tarik. Yun din yung aking account sa YouTube at saka Facebook Reels at saka Facebook page. Ayan. I also uploaded in my Facebook Reels about how to make chutney. And this one, kagaya nito, this was last year. I have this one last year, only this one. And I'm making for this one for chutney. Ayan, ganito katigas. Pero ito malambot pa siya, so need this one to dry under the sun. Gaya nito, oh, yan. Hindi malambot. Ito malambot kasi hindi pa na dry. Ayan. So we have to dry this one. Ayan. Ito lahat yung aking nagawa. Ilan ba ito? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17. Ayan, ito yung aking nagawa. So, we have to make hole in center para madaling matuyo. Like this. And then, we will put in the sun. Ayan. So, ito na lahat na butasan ko na din sa gitna. So, idadry ko na ito. Maganda ngayon ang weather. Ayan. Para maibilad ko ito. Ayan, ito na lahat na butasan ko na din sa gitna. So, idadry ko na ito. Ayan. Maganda ngayon kasi maganda ang weather, it's a sunny day. So, doon ko idadry. Doon ko idadry. So, I make dry here. So, it will become easily dry. And today is nice weather. Ayan. These are sacks of flour. And also this one, I'm putting flour here. I wash this one. And also these sacks of flour. Ayan. Doon ko ni-dry.